How to see playtime on PS4. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can actually check playtime on PS4, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to check the number of hours played or the playtime that you have happened to play a particular game on your PS4, what happens is that this option is not available on PS4. So that's the thing I want you to first of all understand. If you were a PS5 user, what used to happen was that you had to just go to the profile section here, and when you went to profile you would need to go to the game section, and inside the games under a particular game you would be able to see the playtime. But unfortunately PS4 does not have that option. But if you have a friend or someone who owns a PlayStation 5 instead of PS4, you can just log in your exact account on that PS5 console, because what happens is that doesn't necessarily mean, by the way, that you have to play the game on PS5. Even if you played the game on PS4, the same PSN account, if you log into another PS5, it will show the number of hours that you have played, because the account already has the data. But the only thing is that your PS4 is not going to give that to you no matter what you do. So I know it's quite disappointing for some of you guys, but if you log in the same exact account on your friend's PS5, maybe your sibling's PS5, anyone's account, just give them and just ask them to see it. They will be able to tell you the playtime, because it is going to show up there definitely. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.